I am the big dog that runs this yard. Welcome to the dog pound. Hey guys, what is going on tonight? Monday Night Raw is tonight. Roman Reigns and The Undertaker as the Graveyard Dogs. I love that name, but it should be more like a Wolfpack type thing going on. It makes more sense to it. But here's the thing. In my personal opinion, the other members should join that tag team with The Undertaker, and Roman Reigns should be Seth Rollins and Becky Lynch. That'd be awesome though. That'd be awesome because, number one, you have The Undertaker. The key word is something that deals with the phenom, the paranormal stuff. Right? So, then you have Seth Rollins, the Beast Slayer. See what I'm saying? It makes sense. And also, that's why I like Rollins, I like Taker, and I like Roman Reigns. And also, I have this weird hat on. I think it's time to get the man in here. Yo, man, are you here? Yeah, I am. Let's get the man vlog started. I am the man who is also known as the big dog that runs this yard. Hey guys, alright, I'm gonna mix this up a little bit with the big dog vlog with the man vlogs in it. We don't have no drinks out yet. But we are, so anyways, like for the pay-per-view of Extreme Rules, and it comes to my attention that I forgot. Baron Corbin had to beat up. I forgot her name though. I'm sorry guys. I didn't even watch the pay-per-view. I have to buy the DVD or Blu-ray of that with WrestleMania that I missed. So I have to get those two so I can watch them. So, anyways, for Baron Corbin, he's an idiot too. Because, he goes around pretending to be the general manager. No, you're not. Paul Heyman runs Monday Night Raw. Which I said before. Paul Heyman should bring in Tommy Dreamer, Rhino, the Sandman, Raven, who else? Oh, I know who. Beulah McGillicuddy, Francine. Make Monday Night Raw like ECW. On the Smackdown live show, that is run by Eric Bischoff. In my opinion on that, it should be a new vision of WCW, because most of these wrestlers now used to work for WCW back in the past. In my opinion, Eric Bischoff should hire Chris Jericho. Who else? Lance Storm. Then you make the tag team of the Thrill Seekers. Then get some former WCW superstars to be on I can't even say the words, on Smackdown Live. To me, I think Shane McMahon should not be on Smackdown. He runs his mouth, talking nonsense all the time, and saying, "Oh, I am the best in the world." No, you're not, Shane McMahon. The main person who is the best in the world is my man who I love so much, and that is CM Punk. CM Punk did a comment on Twitter about Shane McMahon, and also that's why CM Punk should come back with AJ Lee. So she can be on SmackDown, CM Punk on SmackDown, and 205 Live and NXT. That's my opinion. But the whole point is about, to me, like 2 weeks ago, which I said, it was Brock Lesnar. No, it wasn't Brock Lesnar. It was Braun Strowman versus Lashley. I said this before. False count anywhere. The power went out because they had to go through to the wall entrance of Monday Night Raw. Power goes out. They got the power back. Thank God. One guy had a very, very bruised spleen. That's what I'm talking about. Not Bischoff. Paul Heyman should rejuvenate Raw to be extreme again. Because when that happened 2 weeks ago, I was in disbelief. I cannot believe that. Because the very first time that happened on SmackDown was with Jericho and Rhino. Rhino speared Jericho into the SmackDown wall. And then everyone started saying ECW, ECW. Back in 2002, I think. That's what I'm saying. Everything, in my opinion, about Raw and SmackDown, they need to get a new product. The product now is good, but it's not as good as what it used to be. Raw should be like ECW, and for SmackDown like WCW. You have former guys that used to wrestle for WCW. Look at Hulk Hogan, for example. He wrestled for WCW, but do a female version of the NWO. It makes sense. Do a all female version of the Brood. Do a female version of the New Age Outlaws, DX. And to me, I want to quote Motley Crue on this, and their song is called "Girls, Girls, Girls." Everything focused on hot-looking chicks. I can name you a couple that used to wrestle for ECW. Let's see. Beulah McGillicuddy, Francine, Sunny. She can't wrestle no more. The Sandman's wife, Lori Fillington. 5, Kimona. I forgot her last name, but bring these chicks back because people love it. No, I'm not going to. So that's what I'm saying. Raw and SmackDown should be, and also, when it comes to my attention, I saw this online, and it said that Vince McMahon doesn't want TV PG no more. they're going with TV 14 again. I'm happy for that. That's what it used to be back in 97, 96. Because you had DX, you had New Age Outlaws, Terry Funk, Cactus Jack. Hardcore matches all the time. Having a parking lot fight outside. I can name you one incident. 1999. It was, and the Big Show made his appearance at a pay-per-view called St. Valentine's Day Massacre. And it was Vince versus Stone Cold. You have to climb over the cage and win. The ring opens up. Here's the Giant from WCW, the Big Show. He threw Stone Cold into the cage. To me, Stone Cold should not win that match. That's why Vince wants to have everything more extreme. This is my final video for tonight because it's my first one anyway. I was supposed to do one earlier because I was too busy. So I will continue this tomorrow. Favorite, like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. Turn on Turn on your big dog like button and make that over 27 times if you like my character of the man and the big dog. That's what I go by for these vlogs. Because Eddie, I know deep down that you love the big dog vlogs and the man vlogs. So, that's what I'm talking about, guys. In a few minutes, I'm gonna, I don't know, no one's here except for another family member. I'm not gonna say her name, not important. But they went out to eat. I hope they bring back some pizza tonight. So I can have that with some 2 drinks, let's put it that way. So I will be okay with my stomach. I'm not going to get into that because it's not important to you guys. Because the main thing is, this is Monday, we talk wrestling. Tuesday, we talk wrestling too. Pay-per-views, don't know yet. I have to get that back working again so I can watch the pay-per-views and stuff. So, but so turn on everything else being informed with every video, alright? So, anyways, there'll be some more big dog announcements with me and my cousin, me and my cousin, the LA Wolf. Big dog, oh yeah, and to end the video, I know everyone likes Roman Reigns. So, I will do this again. Now, subscribe to the big dog.